It is 11:16, guys, in the morning. 11:16 in the morning. I'm on my way to an appointment. A beautiful day. Beautiful day. Monday morning. I'm on my way to an appointment. Then I'm going to see my sisters. Wash my car today. Clean my car. That's what I'm gonna do today, guys. Clean the car. I'm gonna clean this nasty car. Vacuum inside and out. These hairs is bothering me. Look here.
A little bit anxiety would come out. Look at the picture.
Right. Look at the eel up in there. There he is. And then the spiky guy. And all the colorful fish. Oh, look at Nemo over there. So beautiful. Alright guys, I want to show you my little grocery haul. So, I got some Hershey's, marshmallows, and graham crackers. I got some s'mores. I got some barbecue baked chips, some caramel rice snack, jalapeno ranch chips. I got some paper plates, 2 aluminum pans, 3 packs of California Medley, a dozen of eggs, hot dog buns, mini bagels. I got some ciabatta sandwich rolls, some subs, honey wheat, regular wheat. I got aluminum foil, vegetable oil, some black pepper, some ground lamb to go with the ground beef. I got baked beans, caramel sauce for our sundaes, bananas, mayonnaise. I got some cuties, some lemons, green apples, raspberries, sheaf nut cherries, some strawberries, 2 yogurts, 2 tomatoes, some cheese. I got 2 sliced turkey and 1 beef. I got 2 cookies and brownies. I got some chicken nuggets and a pizza. I also got 2 packs of leg quarters for Disney food and some wings for the 4th tomorrow. Alright, so this is all what I am cooking today. Let me put my meat with it. I'm going to do my beans today, my potato salad today, and my macaroni and cheese. And I'm going to season my meat if it's thawed out by the time I get ready to do it. So I'm about to put my groceries up, and I will come back to you guys in 1 second. So I am making subs, turkey subs, turkey roast beef with bacon, lettuce, tomatoes, onions. Yeah, I just got a taste for something easy today because tomorrow we are going to have all our barbecue and mac and cheese and baked beans and yeah, all that is for tomorrow. So I just wanted something light, chips and subs with all the fixings. I'm gonna do some mayonnaise. I'm gonna do it on both because I don't have any mustard or any of my sub oil. I don't know. I guess I used the sub oil. I could make some. I definitely don't feel like it. So mayo is gonna have to do. What is this? American? sandwich. His subs are done. He has roasted turkey and roast beef with onions, lettuce, tomatoes, and mayo with jalapeno chips. Alright guys, this is it. I am done with 4th of July. He has a burger loaded. Look at that. Tomatoes, onions in the inside, corn on the cob, baked beans, potato salad, him some chicken, and some lamb. And that is dinner, guys. Please, thanks for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe. Alright guys, got my house back clean from the 4th. Everything is clean, watered. Got the kitchen back up. Put my roses up. So pretty, right? Got the bathroom as well. It is nice and clean. I just gotta wash my rug.